So Mind Over Metal is a camp designed for the exploration and the creative sides of junior high students to get involved in the welding trade. The idea is to get as much influence on them as young as possible to open up their eyes to what's going to happen in the trade, to what welders do, and to the fun that it can be. Mind Over Metal Camp here at Mamaway is really focused on ages 12 to 15, grades 7 through 9. We have 9 students that are participating. They get to come here and build projects. We put them on welders right away to get them interested, to keep them interested. They get to design some really cool things that they get to take home, and it really opens up their eyes to what's possible. This is only made possible through the generous support of the Canadian Welding Association, the CWB Foundation that's provided us grant money through TransCanada to be able to offer this camp. We have some history, Mamaway has some history in this we went to a Mind Over Metal camp at St. Joseph's High School in Edmonton 4 years ago, and ever since then we've been wanting to try to get back into it and try to have our own camp at our own facility. This is the first year we've had a facility, so this is our first camp. So it's a fantastic program. The kids absolutely love it. 4 to 8 p.m. every night. We feed them fantastic food. We get them on the tools right away, and they get to go home with some good projects, and we finish it off with a fantastic supper. So overall, it's a fantastic program. The kids really enjoy it, and they get to go home with some fantastic stories.
I am a female sponsor for our After School Welding Club. I don't know anything about welding. I am here to learn with the kids.
This is Taylor Whitebear, and he made a sculpture. And I think it's pretty awesome to teach them a skill or a trade that they might want to go into, but showing them that they can do it.
Felix actually really enjoyed it. She came home every night excited, telling me about what she did, like all the stuff that they learned, and she really enjoyed it. So, who knows, she might stick with it.
My name is Juliet, and I got the idea for the design from a comic book character named Harley Quinn. Gang, gang.